Today we have a 2006 Honda CR-V. We'll be replacing the rear struts. All right, y'all. So to replace the rear strut, first thing we're gonna do is with a 19 socket impact gun, remove this wheel. Once we do that, we're gonna go inside the vehicle to remove the top part of the strut. Now we're in the trunk of the vehicle. We're gonna have to open this panel here. It's just kind of pull it open or pry it open. However, we're also gonna need to pull this forward just to give us some space here. So we're gonna open this panel and then we'll expose 2 bolts that we need above the strut. So into here, you'll see one there and one on that side. Now this is a factory strut, has been replaced before. We're using number 14 to remove those 2 nuts. So let's get those removed. All right, y'all. So now with that nut and that nut removed on top of the strut here, we're gonna go back under the vehicle and remove the last bolt in order to get the strut out the way. All right, now that we're back under the vehicle, you can see the rear strut here that we'll be removing. It's already been loosened up top, or the nuts have been removed. So now with the 17, we're gonna remove this last bolt. Once we do that, we're gonna slide the bottom forward down and then get it out that direction. All right, y'all, so a little slight correction. I did have to remove 3 number 10 bolts, one there, here, and over here that hold the bracket for the charcoal canister, just so I can kind of swing it back a little, give us a little more clearance. So now we have clearance, we're gonna go ahead and slide our new one in, putting it in here first, tightening that down, and then going back up top and tighten the top part. So I slid my strut from this direction here, right next to the charcoal canister. So now the holes are lined up with the studs up top. So now with the pry bar, I'm just gonna kind of go under here and just pry it in until we can get the bolt threaded in. Once I get that threaded in, I'm just gonna go ahead and zap it over my impact gun, put this back up, and then head up top to finish up. All right, also I have the strut installed at the bottom here with that 17mm nut tightened in. I went ahead and put the wheel on just cause. So now I'm gonna lower the vehicle and go ahead and tighten the top mount, and we'll be done with this. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, so now we're back on top. I have my 2 nuts threaded in there. So these are 2 new nuts that came with these struts. They're 15mm. That's why earlier if I said that if they haven't been replaced yet, then they'll be 14, but these will be 15. So we'll go ahead and tighten those down and we'll be done with that. Now for the other strut, the panel is right there on the other side. So same concept, a little bit easier because there's no charcoal canister blocking it. But that's it. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.